Hello, everyone. Dan. Welcome back, Dan. We're back to our podcast here. Yeah.
Yes. Cool. Feels good.
Yeah. So what we're going to cover today, Dan, it's like how to use many, much, very, a lot, and a lot of. This was a question from one of our students. They were asking us, like, hey, Thiago, Dan, how can we use this? How do we use many? How do we use much? So we'll try to get this sorted in this session. So let me share this screen here with you, Dan. Just a second so we can get started. So can you see my screen, Dan?
Yes, I can.
Dan, another point I was talking because sometimes I use this expression, let's get cracking, mate. And people say, Thiago, what does this mean?
It just means let's start, let's begin,
Yeah.
let's move forward.
British, really? Yeah, let's get
cracking.
Yeah. So, for example, we're going to have a cracker here. Yeah. To have a cracker means like to have fun.
Have a good time, have an exciting experience.
Let's have a cracker, mate. So, today we'll try to teach you guys how to use many, much, a lot of, and very. So, keep going. The first one that we've got done is this one.
Many. Used with countable nouns, things we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Questions and negative sentences, but can also appear in affirmative sentences. For example, how many apples do you have? Do you have 1 apple? Do you have 5 apples? Do you have 10? How many apples?
Double done. How many phones do you have?
1. Just 1. You only need 1. I don't have many friends in this city. I don't have many friends in this city.
So, and this one it's in the negative, but also friends, more than 1. So you count the friends.
I have many friends. I don't have many friends.
Yeah.
And finally, she has many books at home. Maybe 100, 200. Yes, right. You can always count books. So do you have a lot of books? Yeah, I've got many books at home. I got 105.
So this is the tip, Dan. So when you can count, you use many. Yeah. So the next one is much.
Much. Uncountable nouns. Things we cannot count individually. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Water. You can't count water.
Yeah.
Time, money, milk, etc. Again, used more in questions and negatives, rarely in affirmatives. How much milk do you drink?
Yeah, it's not how many milk.
You don't say how many milk. You can say how many bottles of milk, but you can't say how many.
This is because bottles, you can count the bottles.
But milk, the liquid, you can't count milk. Milk is a liquid.
Yeah, it's impossible to count.
I don't have much time today.
Yeah.
I don't have much time.
Usually you can't count time.
No.
Yeah.
We can count minutes, seconds, and hours, but we can't count the concept of time.
Yeah.
Time is an uncountable
and usually
phenomenon.
Like in our society, we don't have much time usually.
Never. It feels like we don't have much time. She doesn't eat much sugar. She doesn't eat much sugar. This describes the woman and her relationship with sugar.
And it's the same concept like with milk. Like you can't count milk, you can't count sugar, salt, I don't know.
You can count bags of sugar or boxes of sugar or packets of sugar, but not sugar. Sugar is a type of food, so you can't count sugar.
Yeah. So next one, we got a lot and a lot of.
These are used for large quantities, both countable and uncountable. A lot is usually alone at the end of the sentence. A lot of comes before the noun. For example, I eat a lot. I sleep a lot. I talk.
I talk.
Thiago talks a lot.
Yeah.
They talk a lot.
For example, Daniel exercises a lot.
Yes.
Cool.
Large quantity.
Yeah. This one, it's the continuation done. A lot.
So more examples. I have a lot of shoes. I have a lot of shoes. I have a lot of shoes. We need to drink, we drink a lot of water. A large amount. We drink a lot of water.
Done. Question. Can we say I have a lot shoes? No.
No, because we can count. So we say a lot of shoes. Well, we can say many shoes because we can count shoes. I have 5 pairs of shoes. I have 5 pairs or a lot of.
Go.
And finally, she has a lot of energy. Thiago's daughter has a lot of energy.
And I have a lot of energy.
Thiago has extremely high amounts of energy.
Okay. Like, or you can say heaps of, right then.
Yeah, heaps of piles of energy.
Yeah,
And
these are good other ones, other uses, right then, to say you're like heaps of
piles of endless energy, limitless energy.
There's one that I like shitloads, right then.
Shitloads means a lot. Yeah.
And this one then, many people ask me an awful lot.
Yeah. Awful normally sounds negative, but an awful lot can describe a great number of. My friend has an awful lot of crypto coins.
Yeah, crypto coins. So an awful lot. You can use this, guys, as well. An awful lot. It's quite common. Like natives, they say this all the time. Next one done. Very. Yeah, very. This is well.
Very is used to intensify adjectives or adverbs, not with nouns.
Yeah.
For example, this movie is very good. This movie is very good.
Yeah.
I'm very tired today. So not just tired, I'm very tired.
You're intensify, yeah.
And finally, she runs very fast. This person runs fast, but she runs very fast.
And just a quick one. Sometimes people use very, but you can change it like British English. This movie is bloody good. Like this.
Yeah, bloody is a informal expression, meaning the same as very. That's bloody expensive. That film's bloody good.
Yeah, you can replace
bloody
on
tired.
very. You can use like informal, right on. This is
very, very informal. You also say really. This movie is really good.
Yeah, really
tired.
Yeah, so you can replace very, like I'm bloody tired today, Mike, or I'm really tired today, or she runs bloody fast, right?
Yep.
Cool. All right, so guys, this is the tip. Yeah, you can use bloody, really, yeah, whatever you want. And then basically, this is the summary done that I prepared for some students if they want to. So they can get a sort of a snapshot. So here, look, just get a snapshot, guys, and then you will have sort of a summary of what we have explained here today. Right on?
Excellent. Lovely. Nice one. It's good to be back, Thiago. I look forward to next week's podcast.
Cool, mate. So I'm looking forward to it. So have a great day, guys. Have a great week, great weekend, and we'll speak to you later. Cheers, mate.
Hasta luego. Bye-bye.